Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank to the curators, Mrs. Hina Bhatt and Mr. Vasant Rao, for this wonderful event. Honestly, I really never had any interest in exploring further the various subject styles covered during my fine art graduation. After graduation, I worked for rural and slum children to bring in qualitative development and positive change in their behavior. This was my belief since childhood that art can help in making impact of society as it has no language barriers. This project was recognized by State Educational Board and I was granted state award for it. I also work with an NGO IHMP at Aurangabad and conducted art and craft workshops for rural people. While conducting these projects, I got an opportunity to work with the Gond community. The visit with Gond community brought a turning point in my life. I was walking through Gond villages. I saw Gond couple may live together, lead a family life and have children without marriage. It is a common sight to see that children also attend their marriages. To show this pure and noble example of rare honesty and loyalty in this world, I explored Gond life on canvas after 22 years of my graduation first time. The colors of nature were all around them, but not the colors of materialistic world. The series was made in black and white. Due to strong traditions like monogamy in tribal life, the color black in my painting shows a kind of strong positivity, shows the tribal style and demeanor. At night, the rhythm of the dance around the fires resounds with this black color. Self esteem and the confidence gained from the oneness of nature is evident. I use black color to highlight these aspects. Black is pure. Black is honest. Black is not an artificial light. The characters in my paintings are black, but they are never sad. While we collect material wealth, they spend their time on collecting moments of happiness. Even though they live in adverse conditions, they always celebrate the riches in their life. I always show characters happy and celebrating their lives even though they have nothing to celebrate. My travels across the length and breadth of the country enrich my experience with different tribes, all very rich in natural beauty. These experiences taught me that nature has a rhythm of its own. Nature is raw, unbound, and wild, yet it is pure, honest, and orderly. These communities living in the midst of nature could reflect a vibrant, colorful life which cannot be found in the mechanized concrete jungles of the cities. They could flow, they could flow with the rhythm of nature, and so I represent it on canvas. In each glimpse of these varied landscapes, there is one thing that I could notice. Man and nature live in harmony, complementary to each other. They fill the gap between each other and all color possible without disturbing the canvas of life. Each land in which I opened my eyes, I found that there was no color misplaced, nothing was pricking to eyes, but only uplifting each other in amity. On my canvas, I try to show the same variety of colors which represent the soulful relationship between nature and the many tribes and cultures of our land. I have found great symphony in the tribal area. This is not about their simple living. It is about their oneness with nature and each other. It is about living and letting others live. The pure nature of black color resonates through my paintings, defining the music of the tribal life. Each color I use in my paintings accompanies black color just as the tribals have harmonized their life with colors of nature. Every time I start a new painting, the colors start the rhythm of beats. With application of color, it start building a symphony. My brushes floats, revolves and dances to this musical symphony. This is what that makes my art alive. Thank you.
Thank you.